Just seconds to go until the start of trading on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Stocks are indicating a lower open. You have lower oil and commodity prices weighing in on stock markets around the world. We're likely to see that pattern here. There's the bell. We're going to take you right now to the floor. Our own Susana O'Halloran is standing by. Suzanne.
Hi there. Yeah, a number of headwinds for U.S. investors this Monday morning. Of course, we've got that commodity pressure. You just mentioned both oil is down as well as industrial metals. We did get that report on New York manufacturing. That came in a lot weaker than economists were expecting. And of course, this week on Friday is quadruple witching. That's very important because a lot of traders are expecting this entire week to be very choppy as positions are adjusted. So that's really the synopsis of what we're focused on this morning as well. So keep an eye on some of the economically sensitive stocks that tend to dictate where this economy is heading, such as General Electric and Caterpillar. Those are big stocks to keep an eye on, as well as the home builders today. We have at 1 p.m. we have a survey from the National Association of Home Builders. That'll tell us whether or not builders are getting the orders, whether or not they're confident about the industry. Scarlet Blue will talk a little bit more about that group in a moment. Also, we just got some headlines from the IMF. John Lipsky coming out and saying that his forecast for U.S. economic growth, Carol, is actually getting raised for this year and next. However, that does still factor in that economic growth will decline about 2.5% this year. Carol?
All right, Suzanne.